Remember 2025 and know that the great things that happened to all of us are still with us. The bad things, the heartaches, the disappointments, and the bad people who caused those things did not follow us into 2025. Mr. MUFAREH made sure of that by getting rid of all those who were disruptive, and he sealed the borders. Everyone entering into 2025 will be those who truly believe in this company that Mr. MUFAREH and his technology team are protecting and getting ready for the founders and affiliates and future customers. Those with bad attitudes will not qualify. They will be stopped at the border. Imagine how they will feel when from a distance can see this company but can't get in it. There will be some who will be left behind, but not because of the company, but because of their attitudes. Think about this. We know that this company has developed at least 4 digital products, and 3 were gifts that were given and used by those who came into Mr. MUFAREH's company, including those with bad attitudes. The video conferencing platform was our entrance into the field of making an income online. We had to pay for that product. That hasn't changed. Those commissions earned followed us into 2025. Mr. MUFAREH says he will take of us, and we who made it across the border believe him completely. The video conferencing platform is better than anything in that industry, and Mr. MUFAREH has spent millions of dollars of his own resources, and he isn't going to walk away from that. The 3 digital products that were given as gifts are still with this company but will be better than they were initially. That was resources paid for their production by Mr. MUFAREH and his family. Mr. MUFAREH is not walking away from that. This company that will be released very soon will completely change the landscape of the internet. All founders and affiliates who made it across the border have entered into the zone of abundance.
We'll remember it's 2025, a year that'll be so bright. Great things we hold still in our sight. The heartaches, the pain, they've stayed behind. A new dawn's here with peace in mind. Mr. MUFAREH, he will pave the way, seal the borders night and day. Only the believers can enter in a future of hope where dreams begin. Leave the bad, leave the past. The doubters and the shadows don't last. We're stepping into abundance side by side. 2025 where visions collide. Whoa. 3 gifts were given and they still remain. Digital treasures easing our strain. A platform built to connect us all. We've answered the call, standing tall. Commissions earned, they follow through. Promises kept so strong, so true. The journey's long, but we believe in a future only we can achieve. Leave the bad, leave the past. The doubters and the shadows don't last. We're stepping into abundance side by side. 2025 where visions collide. Oh, commission earned, they follow through. Promises kept so strong, so true. The journey's long, but we believe in a future only we can achieve. Leave the bad, leave the past. The doubters and the shadows don't last. We're stepping into abundance side by side. 2025 where visions collide. Yeah, imagine them watching but can't step in. A world of wonder where we begin. Their attitude stopped them at the gate, but our faith and trust create our fate. 2025, a year so bright. We hold the promise day and night. Mr. MUFAREH, you've led us through to a zone of abundance made for me and you. Imagine them watching, but can't step in. A world of wonder where we begin. Their attitude stopped them at the gate, but our faith and trust create